Hello, Princess Rapunzel, beautiful BFF. Princess Rapunzel, beautiful. Sana all beautiful. Good morning, everyone. Good morning and good evening to all of you guys. Okay. James, a young Arnold's love to go garbage dumpster supposed to Maria Shever get him as she told him he need a bath. James, hi to you. No, she's not Jesus. Long hair is short hair. Real life. Oh my God, there you are, Graham. Good morning, Graham. Where have you been? How are you, Sir Graham? Good morning, Chu. Kumusta? Ganda channel, I'm okay. Thank you for asking. How's everyone, guys? Kumusta umaga, boss? Umaga sa beautiful morning today. Look, hindi ko kasi maan. I have a beautiful view. How's everyone, guys? You can support me, guys, by sending super sticker or super chat. Just click the $sign below. Or else, guys, I have my PayPal link. You can support me through my PayPal link. And thank you so much. I will pin my PayPal link. Take care, lovely. Okay. Thank you so much, James Tell. What is TTYL? TTYL means what? Can you show me how long her, please? Maraming po good view. I like natural view. Yeah. Guys, I can go for swimming also later. Talk to you later. Ah, okay. It means talk to you later. Are you mountains or beach resorts? I am here in the beach resorts. Oh, la 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 la. There is a bird. Bird. Look at that, guys. This is a beach resorts. There's a lot of people because it is my Monday morning, guys. No, it is my Sunday morning. This is my Sunday morning now. So you guys Saturday evening, right? How's everyone, guys? I love you all. Make sure you do subscribe. Thank you so much. And yeah, I like the view. I like the view. Hoy, mag-ano kayo? Mag-ano ng isda? Ano mo yun? Oo. Ayun na, may music na. Oh my God. Hoy! Ate, may nahuli ka. Good morning. Sabihin niyo sa akin pag nakahuli kayo, ha? Oh. I-catch the small fish. Hala, ayaw nila na nag-aano ng small fish. Ayaw nila na naguhuli ng small fish. Ayun, no, ang lalaki. There. It's a big fish.